Let me talk on FAIR. As the FAIR is a factor analysis of information risk. It is a technical standard for risk definition from the open group. The FAIR focuses on the following points: the information security, significant emphasis on naming, risk taxonomy definition as a very specific target, unambiguous definitions, and the risks are going to be measurable, quantifiable, metrics are going to be the key areas of emphasis. Now, as is a framework that it is going to focus on these things. That is, whenever the information is going to be getting leaked, so in any form, so that it is going to be, so either in the form of mails or in the form of networks, so those things are going to be very keenly that it is going to be taken care, and which type of mails are going to be that naming concept of that it is going to be taken care by this FAIR. So by that is going to find which type of threats are happening in this, and risk taxonomy, so which defines the very specific target. So whenever there is a threat is going to happen, which so it is going to get identifies that this is a major threat that is happening, so prediction of that it will be there, and it can stop that particular specific targets are going to be that identifies and monitors that basically. So unambiguous definitions, so if it is going to happen, the mail transactions are going to happening, so that it is going to be monitored. So this way it is going to be a measurable one. So quantifiable, so how many times that suppose that mail threats are coming, so those things are going to be tracked by quantifiable metrics. So this all this in having the impact on the key areas of emphasis is going to be taken care of this. Whereas the definitions of risk as a probable frequency and probable magnitude of loss. So here basically it checks for the frequency and the magnitude. So how many times that it is attacked and what is the loss of that. So that track is going to keep. With these definitions, it's clear that hierarchy of sub-elements emerge, with one side of the taxonomy focuses on frequency and other is the magnitude. So two things. Loss due to given frequency is called as a threat event frequency, that is TEF, threat event frequency. So threat event frequencies are applied to the vulnerability, that is the probability that targeted asset will fail as a result of the action applied. So you get the some measure. Second is the probable loss of magnitude. This is the frequency and that is magnitude. That is PLM, which defines begins to quantify the impacts, with the emphasis again being the measurable metrics. So the FAIR specification focuses how cost estimates can be, and this leads to the information security in the target of this particular discussion. FAIR defines 6 types of losses. 4 of them externally focused and 2 of them internally focused. Our particular value for operational terms are productively and replacement losses. Response loss is also going to be considered as a responsibility measured. With fines and judgment easy to measure, but it is difficult to predict. Finally, competitive advantages and reputations are also going to be the least measurables. So we can say in this specifically it is said there are 4 types of losses externally and 2 types of losses internally. So all these things are quantifiable. So hence what happens, basically a measure is going to be there, and based on that measure, so it can get protected. So next time that it is going to, it should not happen. So such a way that data is going to get protected. So that ends the chapter security. So study properly for the next exams.